Oh no! Oh, there it goes. It flopped one more time, went back in the water. Yes! Glad I was able to finally get a fish from that spot. I could see them swimming around down there, at least a couple, but they were being stubborn, so finally got him with a little nymph. And Haley just broke off on her spinning rod, so I think we're gonna head back, call it a day.